Here I've got Apple iPad Pro 11 from 2020, and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings. Now go to the sounds, they are right here, and then select ringtone. And let me show you all of them, starting with the default one, which is reflection. I will just volume it up a bit so you can hear it clearly. Then you can also pick something from classic. Let me go back. Then just pick the one that you would like to apply. You can also use one from the other tones right here, but I will pick open and let's go to the sounds, and as you can see, the ringtone has been changed. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.